Are you searching for the best hair blower dryer? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best hair blower dryer in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. High-Speed Anion 110000 RPM Hairdryer. High-Speed Anion experience rapid drying with the High-Speed Anion feature, reducing the time you spend on your hair routine. Powerful 1600W with a powerful 1600W output, this hairdryer ensures quick and efficient hair drying, saving you precious time. 2-minute quick dry designed for efficiency. This hairdryer offers a 2-minute quick drying feature, perfect for those always on the go. Professional hair care for your hair professionally with this high-speed hairdryer, enhancing the quality and health of your hair. Negative ion technology. The negative ion technology helps to protect your hair from damage, leaving it smooth and frizz-free. Versatile nozzle types. Equipped with over 5 nozzle types, this hairdryer offers versatile options for styling your hair, from air collecting to scattering.